All right, guys, today we're going to make a vintage dip or spread recipe that you can serve for a party. This is a Joan Crawford recipe, so let's get started. I'm going to show you. It's pretty interesting, and I think you're going to be surprised how good it is if you make it. All right, guys, I am making a vintage dip recipe today, as I said, and this is going to be interesting. We'll see how we like it, if it tastes good. This was a recipe that I saw posted that supposedly Joan Crawford used to make. So this is her recipe. It doesn't really have instructions, but I'm going to put it up so you can see it. I'm adding seasonings to it. It did not have seasonings listed. I'm putting garlic, salt, pepper, and onion powder. You need 2 cups of chopped bologna, some Parmesan cheese, and some ricotta. And she also said, if needed, a couple tablespoons of like homemade whipped cream, out of heavy whipping cream. We'll see how it looks with just these, and then we'll see if we need it. But it's going to be sort of a meat spread type of thing, or dip, however you want to call it. I thought this would be really good to try for New Year's Eve, so that's why I'm making it today. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and chop up some bologna. All right, I got the bologna chopped. This is about 2.5 cups, so I'm adding a little bit extra of the other stuff. You need 3/4 cups of 3/4 cup of ricotta, so I put a little bit extra of that in there, and we're going to put that in there, and then 1/2 cup of the Parmesan, and then whatever seasonings you like. Then I'm going to blend it up. You can use a food processor, whatever you want to use, but I'm going to use my NutriBullet because that's what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this in there, and we'll blend it up. All right, got those in there. Now I'm going to start adding seasonings. All right, let's blend it up. All right, I added a little bit of heavy whipping cream because it is a little dry and I need it to get creamed up. So that's what I added, a couple tablespoons. All right, guys, look how creamy that came out. I added a little more heavy whipping cream because I need more liquid to get it to blend. I just took a spoonful of it. It is really good. I know it sounds strange, but it is really good. So now I'm gonna just put it in a container, and for New Year's Eve tomorrow night, I'm going to put it out in a sweet little dish, or a nice little dish, and people can put it on crackers or chips or whatever they want, or pork rinds for me. But it is really, really good. Don't knock it till you try it. All right, guys, this is the dish I'm going to serve it in tomorrow night. I just wanted to show you. I just had my husband taste test it, and he said it was really good. And I'm shocked how easy it is and how good it is. So give it a try for something, if you need a dip or something, or a spread, or whatever you want to call this, for a recipe.